We didn't shoot the main titles that you see now until we were in production.
We needed someplace that we didn't have to travel too far, where we could just shoot it one night after a run-through. You know, it couldn't have a lot of production values.
It was suggested to Marta and I to go over to the Warner Brothers lot and see if there was anything there that appealed to us. And we walked out and we saw this fountain. And I said, "Fountain kind of looks parky, New York, to you, doesn't it?" "Yeah. Those buildings behind, that look kind of like brownstones around a park. I'd buy that." "Yeah. Well, why don't we just shoot it here?" Got out there that night, and we had not recorded the theme song yet. We played back something for them to dance to. It was something funky. I remember that. And the interesting thing is, it looks like in the title sequence that Jennifer is lip-syncing to "I'll Be There For You." She's lip-syncing to some other song we will never remember now. We had these little bits designed, and Jennifer were feeding the ducks and Matt on his floaty.
And it was a very cold night. The fountain was cold, and they were so game and so great about throwing themselves in there.
We shot for about 4 hours till about 2 o'clock in the morning, and all those things just kind of came together that night.